How's it going, you beautiful bunch of maple monkeys? Oh man, Halloween is just around the corner, and I think today I'm gonna do a little tutorial video on how to do Zipperface. Check it out. So easy, it's so easy to do yourself. You literally can do it in probably 20 or 30 minutes. Alrighty then, here we go. We're about to get going here. So we're gonna need a couple things before we get going here. We're gonna need a zipper right here. I probably should have gotten a smaller one because this one has a little bit wide of an edge right there, but it is what it is, right? Then we have some liquid latex. Have some spirit gum. This is the glue that's gonna hold the zipper on your face at first. And then we have the blood and the gore and the guts. And then just in case you need it, the spirit gum remover. I also have this little, I don't know what it's called, this pencil thing to mark out where I need to. But first, unfortunately, I'll have to shave and then we can get started. Look at that, all clean shaven. So right now I'm just getting the zipper lined up on my face just to see the best positioning for it. And this pencil right here, I'm going to mark out just so I know where to put the glue marks. So I'm not having to hold everything right on my face there. So I'll get everything marked out right there, as you see. Right there, that is the spirit gum. It is adhesive. It's the glue that is going to hold the zipper to your face. And if you're going to use that, be careful around the eyes and use quite a bit of it. You can just use a little bit to get started and tack it onto your face, so to speak. And then once you feel it starting to dry, then you can just start putting it on heavily from even just the outside, and you can see it, the dark spots soaking in, and you can feel it start to stick on your face. But like I say, when you're around the eyes, be very careful around the eyes. You don't want to get any of that spirit gum in your eyes or anything, any of the up and coming blood or anything like that. Same thing down here. Just nice and liberal. Apply it nice and evenly, nice and liberally. Don't be afraid. Hold it there for a couple seconds and it'll stick. You don't even have to have the zipper come down that long. I just use this zipper. I could even trim the top, trim the bottom, but just for this purpose, just for the video, I figure I'm just going to use it. And I put a hat on my head at the end, and I'm just going to trim and tuck in the bottoms there. As you see, it's sticking pretty good there. I don't have to hold it anywhere now. It's sticking nice and fine. A couple of the spots you see me just patting down there that are just flaring up. You can come from either angle, come from both sides, glue on either sides, and after a couple applications, you'll be right as rain and you'll be all good to go. Alrighty folks, here we have it. We have the update. The zipper is on my face. It is on there with spirit gum. I'm just trying to let it kind of fully dry. On to the next steps. Alright, so what you see me doing here is from earlier is that liquid latex, and what I'm trying to do in my mouth area is create it to look like my skin is kind of like flaking and like kind of eroding and rotting away from my face. So that's the kind of effect that I found worked the best, is use the liquid latex and let it dry a little bit, and then just before it's fully dry, kind of pull at it and scrape it a little bit, and it comes up with a cool texture. And then you see on the sides there, what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to blend it in and look like skin on the sides. Now you can keep going over this as many times as you want. I only do it a couple times, and it does the effect that I want. And then I start adding this is blood paste, and I have some other blood as well that I'm going to use. But this is a thicker blood paste that looks and is a darker red, and comes out all globby, like it's all clotted. So it works wicked. I put it all in the zipper, all on both sides. See, you put me nice big thick chunks there. Actually looks like kind of clotted up blood coming out. Looks right gnarly. Nice and thick. The more the better, I think. And even just then, just a quick little touch up there and it's already starting to come together, looking crazy good. You definitely win best costume if you went out and you did this. Super easy, super fun. When I did it, I won best costume, so I know from experience. Once again, going around the eyes, be careful around the eyes. Don't want to get any of this stuff in the eyes or the mouth or the nose or anything like that. It's not fun. It doesn't taste good either. But look at that, nice big clots everywhere. Looking really good, really good. We are all done. Here it is. All blood, guts, and gore. Got the grime. I don't have any outfitter on anything. This is just the Zipperface. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I appreciate you checking out the video. If you like it, definitely give it a big thumbs up there and hit that subscribe button down below for more daily content. Zipperface is a great thing that you could do for party ideas. You can get it done, pound it off in 20 or 30 minutes, and all the things probably only cost, you know, maybe $30 if you don't have anything. I think the most expensive thing that you'll need is liquid latex, and you don't even need that big of a jug. If you can find a little smaller one, then get a little smaller one. But until next time, everybody, have a great night, great day wherever you are. Appreciate you checking it out. Until next time, everybody, cheers.